It is a very old and concept, but actually it is not a force. Electromotive force is not a force, but it is a energy or work done. So what is the electromotive force? Is work done to bring a positive charge from a unit positive charge from lower potential to higher potential. This is the one definition. Second definition, we can say it is the potential difference between the two terminals when this current is not flowing, means it is in open circuit. Second definition is it is the potential difference between these two plates of the cell when it is in open circuit, means when no current is flowing through the cell. So we can say this is another definition of EMF. Now what is the potential difference and what is the potential difference and what is the terminal? So first, what is the potential difference? Suppose we will take this point is C and this point is D. Now current is flowing through it from C to D. Then the work done or energy supplied by this battery to pass from C to D is known as potential difference between C and D. So it will be equal to Vc minus Vd, or we can say Vcb. So potential difference between these 2 points is known as the work done by the source to have a charge from C point to D point. So that is your potential difference. Now what is the terminal difference? Terminal difference is now when the circuit is on, when current is passing through the resistance, and so current is passing through the resistance from the outward circuit from positive of the battery to the negative of it. But inside the battery, it or cell, it goes from negative to positive. The positive charge will go from positive to negative outside or external circuit, and it will go from negative to positive inside the circuit. So what is the terminal voltage? So terminal voltage will be the voltage between these two terminals, with the terminals of the positive terminal and negative terminal. So it is a work done. It is a work done by the source so that the one unit positive charge moves from point A or positive of the battery to negative of the battery. Only the external circuit, not inside the circuit, inside the cell. So the work done by 1 coulomb positive charge from positive of the battery to the negative battery in the outer circuit is known as the terminal voltage. So this is all about the what is the current, definition of current, and what is the EMF, what is the source of EMF, and what is the terminal potential difference, and what is the EMF. So battery or cell is necessary for the steady current through any circuit. Now what is the Ohm's law? Now Ohm's law we can define if the physical condition of the conductor, it means the temperature of conductor is constant, second, and pressure is constant, and the elastic property of the conductor is constant, then the potential difference across the conductor is proportional to current flowing through it. Suppose this is the conductor. and current is flowing through it, then V is the potential difference between these two ends. This is the conductor and through which the current is flowing. The V is the potential difference across its end. Then the potential difference is proportional to the current. Also says that if the physical conditions of the conductor remain same, then the current passing through the conductor is always proportional to the potential difference across its terminal. So V will be proportional to I. So the proportionality constant is resistance. So V is equal to R into I. I is the proportionality constant. So we can write V is equal to IR or R into I. So we can write this relation as in the triangle form. If this is the V and this is the I. Now V will be equal to I into R. I is equal to V but R. And R is equal to V but I. So we can have this relation in the triangular form, which is Manmari. Now if we draw a graph between the potential difference and current. In this y-axis we have a voltage and in axis we have a current. Then for the conductor, if the physical conditions remain same, then V is proportional to I. It means the relation between V and I is linear connection. Linear relation means there will be a straight line if we draw a curve between V and I. So, if suppose if we have drawn this curve for suppose your R2 and this angle is theta, then R2 will be equal to tan theta. Because tan theta will be equal to kya? This will be equal to V. This will be equal to I. So tan theta will be equal to R. So if we plot a graph between a V and I, V in the y direction and I in the x direction, then the resistance will be equal to the slope of the straight line, and that is equal to tan theta, and tan theta will be the resistance. Now the resistance doesn't depend upon V and I. Resistance doesn't depend upon V and I. If V increases, I increases. Here, if V increases, and here V increases, here V1, then I1, here V2, I2. So V1 increases, then I also get. If V increases, I increases, but the ratio remains constant. So we can say the resistance of the conductor doesn't depend upon V and I, and its resistance will be the ratio of V but I. Or if we draw the curve between V and I, and this is the curve, then it is equal to tan theta. Now this is for the R2 resistance, this is for the R1 resistance. Now whose resistance will be more? This angle is theta 1, this angle is theta 2. Theta 2 is more than theta 1. So tan theta is more than tan theta 1. Tan theta 1 will be more than tan theta 2. Therefore, R1 will be greater than R2. If the slope of the curve is more, then its resistance will be more. Now, what will be the unit of the resistance? The unit of resistance, you can say R is equal to V but I. So unit will be equal to V का होगा voltage and divided by current का ampere, voltage बटा ampere, and it is known as the ohm, and the symbol of ohm is capital omega. It is the Greek letter. Now we can find the dimension. Dimension volt का क्या होगा? The dimension of volt will be of the energy per unit charge. divided by ampere current. So this will be equal to energy कितना हो जाएगा ml square t minus 2 divided by charge का a into t and a. So this will be equal to ml square t minus 3 a minus 2. So this will be the dimension of current. Now what is the definition of 1 ohm? 1 ohm resistance. The definition we can define the 1 ohm resistance is the resistance of a conductor. If 1 ampere current is passing through it, then if the potential difference across its terminal is 1 volt, then it is 1 ohm resistance. I repeat it. If 1 ampere current is passing through the conductor and the potential difference between the two ends of the conductor is 1 volt, then the resistance of the conductor is 1 volt.